अफगानिस्तान के हालात पर यूएनएससी की मीटिंग खत्म हो गई है। यूएनएससी की मीटिंग में हिंदुस्तान का बयान सामने आया है कि अफगानिस्तान दहशतगर्दों की पनाहगाह न बने। अफगानिस्तान में दहशत का माहौल है, अफगानिस्तान के शहरी मुसीबत में है। हिंदुस्तान ने ये तमाम बातें कही हैं। यूएनएससी की मीटिंग में वाज़ेह रहे कि यूएनएससी की सदारत हिंदुस्तान कर रहा है। 75 सालों में ये पहला मौका है जब हिंदुस्तान का कोई वजीर आज़म यूएनएससी की सदारत कर रहा है। अफगानिस्तान के शहरी मुसीबत में है। हिंदुस्तान ने ये तमाम बातें कही। अफगानिस्तान के हालात पर चर्चा हुई है इस बैठक के जरिए।
In this short period of time, we have witnessed dramatic changes in the situation. We have also seen very unfortunate scenes at the Hamid Karzai International Airport in Kabul. There is widespread panic among the people. Women and children are in distress. Incidents of firing have been reported from the city, including at the airport. While the security situation remains precarious, a grave humanitarian crisis is unfolding. We have heard urgent appeals from all quarters, including from the Secretary General. It is time for the international community, in particular this Council, to act and ensure an immediate cessation of violence and contain any possible crisis and mitigate its consequences. As a neighbor of Afghanistan, as a friend of people, the current situation prevailing in the country is of great concern to us in India. Afghan men, women and children are living under a constant of fear. They are uncertain about their future. Everyone is concerned about increasing violations of the fundamental rights of the Afghan citizens. Afghans are worried about whether their right to live with dignity would be respected. There are many unanswered questions. We hope that the situation stabilizes soon and the parties concerned address the humanitarian and security issues.